How do you travel to school in the morning? On the bus, on the train, on a pogo stick? Does it come with a risk or a safety warning? Does it take a long time or can you get there quickly? On a bull passing over a snake-covered ridge, risking a tightrope or a narrow plank, using unsecured ladders, weak suspension bridge, a walk along a fast-flowing river bank. Huskies in front, pulling you in on a sled, in an overcrowded ferry, cross a lake in a canoe, zipping on a steel cable, flying overhead, and inflated in a tube with a speedboat pulling you. I hope your school runs easy and your journey is short. If you find yourself complaining during dull, drizzle days, it is worth running through this list and sparing a thought for the school children travelling in treacherous ways.